Click on the link below to get price. The Celestron EdgeHD 800 XLT Optical Tube Assembly is a remarkable tool for both amateur and experienced astronomers seeking high-quality performance and versatility. This optical tube showcases a stunning design, combining advanced optics with a compact size, making it suitable for various observing scenarios. One of the standout features of the EdgeHD 800 is its EdgeHD optical system, which minimizes optical aberrations, providing razor-sharp images across a wide field of view. The f/10 focal ratio allows for excellent detail in planetary observations, while the 0.7x reducer, available separately, makes it suitable for deep sky photography. Observing nebulae, galaxies, and star clusters becomes a breathtaking experience, with vibrant colors and excellent clarity. The build quality of the EdgeHD 800 is impressive. The carbon fiber tube is lightweight yet sturdy, enhancing portability without compromising durability. The optical tube assembly is equipped with an integrated fan for temperature regulation, which is essential for maintaining optimal performance during long observation sessions. Additionally, the XLT coatings significantly enhance light transmission, improving overall image brightness and contrast. Setting up and using the EdgeHD 800 is straightforward, thanks to its compatibility with various mounts, including Celestron's own advanced go-to mounts. The scope features a 2-inch visual back and a large 8-inch aperture, which makes it easy to switch between visual and photographic applications. Focusing is smooth and precise, allowing for clear images even at high magnifications. However, some users may find that the EdgeHD 800 requires additional accessories, like a focal reducer for astrophotography, to achieve its full potential. While the price point is on the higher side, the investment is justified by the superior optical performance and versatility provided by this telescope. Overall, the Celestron EdgeHD 800 XLT Optical Tube Assembly is a top-tier choice for anyone serious about astronomy, offering exceptional value through its innovative design and high-quality optics.